Hello alle mooikies and welcome back to my channel. We are on the official last video for the month of October, Halloween month of 2019. So for the last look I thought I would do something which is something more simple. A spider, because everyone loves spiders. Like, everyone loves spiders. People just love spiders. So I thought I would do a spider for you guys. I feel like this look is easy. Only thing you need is like red, black and maybe white, but I think red and black is the most important, and just a lot of shading. So it's pretty simple to do. Just need to focus, like with all your eyes, focus. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, you can just keep on watching. So with blocked out brows, our first layer of foundation is going on. I'm using a foundation that's quite light, so that I don't have to add white paint or powder or any other things over. Just blending it into the face, like pressing it into the eyebrows as well to add some light coverage, and then using some baby powder just to set the foundation so it doesn't move, and just to add an extra layer of white. Then going in with little lids that I painted the outside black of, I just pressed them onto the skin for different sized eyes, and then just filling them in with black paint. So you could place these eyes wherever you feel would go best around the face, depending on the spider you're doing. I just created like a bunch of them across my face. Then just to cover my hairline and make my face look slightly more sharp on the cheekbones, I just carved out a different face shape. So the nice thing about having a black backdrop and black paint is that you can alter the shape of your body, like the silhouette and the outlines, just painting into the hairline. Then I started carving and sketching out the other features on the face. Those would be the forehead, starting off with light product and then building onto a deeper shade of black as we get closer to the shading part. Just creating the shading for the nose and the eyes. Just use some black eyeshadow from my Ofra Cosmetics palette. Then shading out the brow bone. So around each eye I try to make a little shading so that it makes the eye look like it's actually standing out, so that it's a bit higher than the rest of the face. So for this look you're mostly just going to be using black, and then drawing in the teeth. So these fangs need a bit of shading. You need to make them look like they are round. So instead of just coloring in the whole fang black, you'll leave some white parts or just add some white highlights so that it looks like it's shiny and that it's round. And then just defining the lines just with one sleek black line. Look at those cutie teeth. I'm actually one of those people that like spiders. I don't like the element of surprise, but spiders are fine. Moving on to the other side of the face, just doing exactly the same thing that I did, filling in the black. And for this I am using my Kaelan water paint in black shade, and that's just eyeshadow again. So everything that I needed to be slightly lighter I used a powder product for, and then I would add some detail with the water paint. Just going in around the eyes to make it more defined. I just actually made it look like a butterfly. I can't unsee it. And then adding some shading to the collarbones and the chest area. I wanted to make it more of a black widow, so I wanted to do a red area on the chest. Therefore I had to do some of the body as well. Using my MAC paint palette, I used a red cream paint. And just tapping it all over. I decided to add some of the red to the face. I thought this was a nice color to add some shading, rounding it off, making it look like it's not just the one color. I know a lot of spiders aren't just black, they have like these shiny metallic effects to them, which is quite pretty. And then just adding some coloring around the eye. And then just doing like little strokes with a thin brush, still using the black paint, just making it look like little hairs, since a lot of spiders have little hairs on their feet and bodies. They are so cute, oh my goodness. Then doing the lips, I did add a little bit of blood later just as an added effect, wouldn't be necessary. And then adding the little highlights to the eyes. I feel like these add a bit more character, making them look more googly and like they're actually watching you. This is my favorite part. You could like use a liquid liner, a cream paint, preferably something that does not smudge or pick up on the black. So the whiter you can have the highlights be, the better. It's just going to make it look really nice and shiny, almost like glossy, you know, when a spider looks at you, those little shiny parts on the eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for partaking in the month of October with leaving likes on my videos and leaving comments. I will leave the winner of the competition, or the 2 winners' names, down below in the description and in the comments. Well guys, I hope to see you on the next video. Have an absolutely blessed day. I'll see you soon. Bye.